Aku dédé àsìkò ìjáre ní gbogbo ibikíbi tẹ́ bá tuntun láǹfààní láti máa wo ìkànnì yìí. Benjamin Olúwaṣẹ́gun Olúwapamẹ́rin lórúkọ mi. Tó bá yẹ pé first time tuntun lélẹ́yìí tẹ́ máa darapọ̀ mọ́ ìkànnì lọ́fọ̀ọ̀sẹ̀ náà civil legacy ẹ bá subscribe sí ẹ̀wẹ̀gbẹ́ rẹ̀ ọ̀hún ẹ̀rọ máa kọ̀ọ̀kan níbẹ̀ tó lè bá máa pè ní notification bell ẹ bá wa tẹ̀ bá tẹ̀ tán kọ́ yóò option mẹ́ta kan wá tí ń bẹ lókè òun kẹ́ mú option a lé àti lí tó lè bá máa pè ní option all nǹkan bá wa tẹ̀ bá ti tẹ̀ tán èèyàn dára ẹ̀ láǹfààní láti máa wo ìkànnì yìí ní gbogbo ìgbà táwọn ìtàn bá ti jáde.
We will not shy away from the opportunity that this central government has given us. It is a time for us as a people to take up this opportunity to unite ourselves now more than ever before, to have a common agenda, a common purpose, a common unity, a shared purpose and a shared prosperity. That the leadership at the center is a leadership we love, is a leadership that will not only transform our region, but takes this country to an enviable light. And so this conversation here today, whilst is local, is also national. Whilst is for us, is also for the country. Whilst we want to benefit from it, the country will also benefit from it. And so that's why we must live here and create an history from Akure sitting on the 29th and 30th and live here with one single mind purpose that the center will continue. We will support the center. We will attribute everything that we need, the energy in us to ensure that all of our lost time, all of our past time, it's time for us to take it back twice as fast, twice as more, twice as better.
You see, a lot is going on in this country, and I love what the governor is doing now. You know, try to do meeting to create peace and harmony in Yoruba land. Because in tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Kwara State, nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Kogi, wọ́n ní agenda àwọn Fulani. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní àwọn agenda àwọn bandits tí wọ́n believe pé àwọn lè reclaim àbí àwọn lè gba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, because most of what happened in Kwara State, most of the community that are affected, the incident, Yoruba land ni. It affected Yoruba land most, and it's an agenda. The last time nígbà tí à ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Kwara State, I knew that it's not possible for our leaders not to know anything about that thing, because our bandits here won't for let's, for example, see what happened in Oyo State. See how the Alaafin quickly called the Nigerian police, the vigilantes, to make sure to drive all these people out of Oyo. And they did that immediately. Now, Governor Sanwo, thank you very much for this great speech. I love your speech. And to be sincere, this is what I want from all the Southwest governors. We need to reclaim our land. We need to reclaim our land. We need to be in unity and harmony so that we can move forward. You know, all these people that is our enemy, I don't need to mention their name, you know them. They don't want the Southwest to develop. You know, and we need to do something about it. You see, President Ahmed Tinubu, you've done a lot in this country, and I will continue to praise you. But anytime I see something that is wrong, I will definitely come out and say it, because we can't continue. Silence is something else to me. But what you are doing presently, I can see that we are on the right path, and you should just continue. I know it's not easy. We are not there yet, but you are doing the right thing. But please, always put Nigerians' mind. Don't mind anybody around you, because all the people around you, if you think they love you, is a lie. You see what they did to Jonathan in 2015 when late Buhari won the presidential election. So you need to be very careful for those people who's around you. But that is not where I'm going. Governor Sanwo made one speech, which I want everybody to hear. It's very, very touching. Recently, Ashwaji Ahmed Tinubu created Southwest Development Commission, and they also did that in South-South, in Southeast, just to make sure that we develop in our region. There's a development, infrastructure development and others. So Governor Sanwo was in that commission, that summit, and he made some speech which I want everybody to hear. It's very, very lovely, because this is what I want our governor to know. We need to come together and move ourselves forward, because we can't move forward without coming together. We cannot move. See, if we scatter, we can never move forward together. The best thing is we should come together, unity and harmony, make sure that all our others, Ooni, Alaafin, Alake, Awujale, àwọn ọba ńlá ńlá come together too, so that we can move forward. Let's first hear this. Let's listen to this speech.
And so, where is Southwest in all of this? How can we re-emerge, re-envision, and recharge our states, our region, to take the full advantage of what is happening at the center? And so we see the establishment of a Southwest Development Commission by Mr. President, with the backing of the National Assembly, as one of the steps that will further affirm our collective destiny. We believe that this commission will provide an institutional platform for us as a region to plan, to integrate, and to deliver the kind of regional transformation that used to define the old Western region under the leadership of late Chief Obafemi Awolowo. Let us all now rally around this commission, not just in rhetorics, but in action. As the great sage once reminded us, it is not in life that matters, but it is the courage we bring forth to it. Now I believe is the time for us to summon the courage once again. This region that was the beacon, that was the shining light of our country, to reclaim our heritage of innovation, our heritage of education, our heritage of good governance. It is the time for us as a region to take the stand of place and to come united now than ever before, and say strong with our traditional rulers, the beacon of our traditional culture, standing toe to toe with us, with all of our leaders in commerce and industry, joining the political leadership, joining the market women and men, joining our youth, looking at the faces of our leaders. There's no better time but now for us to chart that forward ever for the Southwest region. And so what is our next step of action? Thank you. Eshegoni. There are... Thank you very much. And so what is our path forward? The next step is clear for all of us. We're a people that is yearning for peace. We're a people that understand prosperity. We're a people that progress is not just intangible, it's tangible in our DNA. We're strong in battle. We're courageous. We're accommodating, but we're also transformative. And that's why the reform we're seeing at the center gives us an open door, a long shut door from us, that we now must take up the opportunity and walk through this open door. We must deepen our collaboration. We must create access amongst ourselves in all sectors. And we must be able to engage within our communities. Diversity has always been our strength. Let's bring it forward. Harmony has always been our strong advantage. Let's show it again. Let us deploy those assets towards a shared regional agenda that will deliver inclusive growth, inclusive citizens engagement, collaborative, constructive dialogues amongst ourselves.
You see, to me, I'm still going to, I will continue this video. See, all governors in Southwest, if you really want growth in this region, you need security. Because if insecurity destroy all your plan, you are not going anywhere. And we know what is going on now in the Southwest. We know what is happening in Kogi. We know what is happening in Kwara. And we know what's happened in Oyo State recently. But thanks to Alaafin and the Nigerian police for doing the right thing at the right time. So to me, the security is very, very key. Because the insecurity in Nigeria now is now growing day by day. And to me, I believe that there are some people, there are some element of people that know about these things. And you can fish them out. Some people around government, governors, the president, know a lot about this insecurity. So if we can conquer, if we can, try our possible best to eradicate this insecurity, don't let me deceive you, we are going to move forward fast. And that is the reason why I'm urging the president. The president bale fún Tompolo ní license for security outfit. Tó bá lè fún Dasuki Asaridokunbo náà, tó náà control kíní ẹ̀. Why tí wọ́n ṣe lè fún Gani Adams? Why tí wọ́n ṣe lè fún Sunday Igboho láti make sure pé wọ́n bá wa secure? Ṣé ní ẹ máa yẹ kí n tàn wá? Àwọn ọlọ́pàá ò lè bá wa ṣe, àwọn ọlọ́pàá nìkan ò lè bá wa ṣe. Ṣé ìjọba yìí contribute to development infrastructure tí security báyìí tó báyìí ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Southwest, a lè move forward. I love this summit, but insecurity kọ́kọ́ mójútó náà. Àwọn kan wà, àwọn Fúlàní kan wà tó yẹ pé wọ́n believe pé àwọn làwọn nílé Yorùbá. Let us continue.
And we're seeing it in this government. We have no better time but now. Today was too far gone. Tomorrow might be too late. Today is the next best day for us. I think it's also Nelson Mandela that says that vision without action is merely a dream. Action without vision, we're just merely passing time. But it's only when vision meets action that real change do happens. The Southwest is a people of vision. We're also a people of action. We want the two to merge together so that indeed we can change the world and reshape the future that we see for our region. And it's now. Our leaders are here. Our fathers are here. Our youth population are here. Our women are here. The political leaders are here. We have no other time. The Southwest was once the land of several firsts. The Southwest was the first in education. The Southwest was the first in broadcasting. The Southwest was the first in urban planning. The Southwest was the first in governance. The Southwest was the first in culture and tradition. The question before us here today now is very simple. Can we once again light the path for the rebirth of this great nation? And my answer is yes, we can. The Southwest can, and yes, we will. I say so because the spirit of innovation is in us. The spirit of unity, the unity that is difficult in other parts, is with us. This is what defines who we are. This is what has defined our past. Let us waste no time, because the extraordinary opportunity is on us now. Let us therefore move from Osogbo to Ogbomoso. Let us move from Ijebu-Jesha to Ijebu-Ode. Let our people move from Owo to Owu. Let there be a movement from Ikorodu to Ibarapa. Let our people move from Ikole-Ekiti to Ikirun. Let that movement be a movement of unity. Let it be a movement of shared vision and purpose. Let it be a movement that will unite this region to show that real leadership is what is in our DNA. And so for us in Lagos, as I close, a week ago yesterday, we chose, like my brother, the governor of Ondo State said, we chose from Ekpe to Ikorodu, from Badagry to Ajeromi. We chose from Lagos Island to Lagos Main, that we will not shy away from the opportunity that this central government has given us. It is a time for us as a people to take up this opportunity to unite ourselves now more than ever before, to have a common agenda, a common purpose, a common unity, a shared purpose, and a shared prosperity. That the leadership at the center is a leadership we love, is a leadership that will not only transform our region, but takes this country to an enviable light. And so this conversation here today, whilst is local, is also national. Whilst is for us, is also for the country. Whilst we want to benefit from it, the country will also benefit from it. And so that's why we must live here and create an history from Akure sitting on the 29th and 30th, and live here with one single mind purpose, that the center will continue. We will support the center. We will attribute everything that we need, the energy in us, to ensure that all of our lost time, all of our past time, it's time for us to take it back twice as fast, twice as more, twice as better. God bless Nigeria. God bless the southwest region of Nigeria. God bless the people of this region. God bless Lagos State. Thank you very much.